Hey guys, how's it going? It's Pocket, and today we've got another product to review. So let's get started. The software that we're going to review today is called MobileTrans from Wondershare. I apologize if I don't spell it correctly. And it's a software which allows you to transfer files and data between two devices. So one device can be an iPhone, the other device can be another device, or you can transfer files from your Windows phone to your Android device or iOS device and vice versa. And also you can transfer files from an iTunes backup that you might have done previously directly to a mobile device. So bear in mind this is a software which transfers files between two mobile devices only. This software is free to download from Wondershare.com, the official website for Wondershare, and it's available for Mac and Windows. However, because it's demo version, free trial, you have very limited access to its features, so you got to buy the full version in order to get the whole features. And in greater detail, this is all of the types of files that you can transfer between two mobile devices. So for example, if you want to transfer files from Android to Android, you can transfer every kind of file apart from app data unless you are rooted. But if you want to transfer files from Android to iOS or Android to Windows Phone, as you can see, you don't have the option to transfer apps and applications because applications are made for a specific operating system only and they cannot work on another. But I'm very happy to tell you that you can transfer photos, music, and videos between all of these devices. So Android to Windows Phone and vice versa, Android to iOS and vice versa, etc. etc. And also you got the option to transfer files and data between an iTunes backup to your Android phone or iOS or Windows phone. And also you got some extra features such as you can back up your files from your mobile device to your computer and restore your data, and even to factory reset everything that you have on your mobile device if you want to donate your mobile device or even sell it. Now let's have a look on the software itself. This is how the software looks like once you launch it. So you got all of these different functionalities. Um, for start, let's have a look on the phone-to-phone transfer. So here I got my iPhone and my Android device connected to my computer. So how this works, this is the source mobile device, which means that files will be transferred from the iPhone directly to the Android, and this is the destination, so this is where the files will be transferred to. And also you got the flip option, so you can flip between the devices. So what this means that the destination becomes source and the source becomes destinations. Now the source is the Android phone and files are transferred to the destination, which is the iPhone. Also you got clear data before copy, so what this means that if you want to copy, for example, photos from your Android device to your iPhone, let's say an example, all the photos that exist in the iPhone already, they will be deleted and they will be replaced by the photos transferred from the Android device. So as you can see, you have a small message in order for you to confirm if you really want to. But I'm not going to recommend this because all of the photos that you had on the destination device will be deleted. Okay, also before even trying to transfer, I will highly recommend you to view supported phone list. So this is all the devices which are being supported by the software, and I'm going to tell you that at around 99.5% of the devices are being supported. I haven't, as I look on all of this list, but I didn't really find any device which is not being supported. And because it has loads of the device, I believe that even more than 99.5% is being supported. But if you don't know, if you're not exactly sure if you're supported, then you can type here the mobile model that you have. So for example, if you have an Apple iPhone 7, so there you go, it has been found. Or if you're not sure what kind of model you have, you can just type the brand. So for example, if you have a Xiaomi phone, you can just type the brand name, then you click on search and it shows you how many devices from Xiaomi are available. And if you don't know which one of these you have, I highly recommend you to open a new tab and then type the brand name, and then you can just copy paste all of these to see which device you have. So for example, you can copy paste this model and then paste it here. Then you can see if this is the model that you have. And this is the easiest way to find out if what kind of device you have by just looking at the phone and recognize it. Okay, once you get ready, you can click on Start Transfer, and all of these files will be transferred to your destination device. So this is one out of 4 features. Next, let's have a look on backup your phone. So here you got the option to backup all your data from your source device to your computer. And also if you have more devices plugged in your computer, you can click on this down arrow and then select switch your device. And then you can click on Start Transfer, and all of these files will be backed up to your computer. Next, you got the option to restore from backups. Here you got a variety of options so you can choose to restore your device with. For MobileTrans backup file, this is the backup file that has been created by clicking on this feature. And next you got other options such as BlackBerry backup file, OneDrive, iCloud, and then even iTunes. So here I've got some iTunes backups that I have already done some months ago. And with one click, pretty much you can send all of this data to your destination device. Can be Android, or if you have more devices connected to your computer, you can switch to that device. And again, you got this option, so if you want to reset all of this data being transferred from the backup, so for example, all of your contacts will be deleted from your iPhone, all the text messages will be deleted, calendars and photos will be deleted from your iPhone and will be replaced by these ones. So I'm not recommend this. Next and last, erase your old phone. So you got the option to erase the old phone if you want to. And that's if you want to sell your device or give it to someone else, because you never want someone else to access your data. So that's why you've got a feature like that. And this actually takes a while to do. It can take up to 1 hour or even more, depends on how many data you have in your device. So if you want, you can go out with your friends, go jogging, go ahead and grab a coffee or whatever you want until this can be finished. If you are 100% sure that you really want to do this, you can click on erase now and everything will be deleted. Alright, so that was pretty much it with this software. And if you are very interested on buying it, you can go and navigate to the buy now button section to this website. Have you got some license that you can choose from? So it really depends on you which one you're gonna buy. So you can click on add to chart, let's say this one. You can choose the quantity, and here is where you input your information. Make sure that your email is real, because this is where the license code will be sent to, and the activation code as well. So make sure to be 100% sure that email you have typed here is exactly the same, the email that you already have. Okay, so that includes this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you're a new visitor to this channel so you won't miss anything. Make sure to smash this like button, drop a comment, let me know what you think about this video, and even share this video to your friends if you want them to learn about this. So thank you very much for watching. Again, I'm gonna see you to my next video.